Introduction of posology. Posology is the term that is derived from the Greek word posos, means how much, and logos means science. Posology is the branch of medical science which deals with the dose and quantity of drugs which can be administered to a patient to get the desired pharmacological actions. The dose of the drug cannot be fixed rigidly because there are so many factors which influence the doses. The official doses represent the average range of quantities suitable for the adult which administered orally within 24 hours. When other route of administration are followed, the relevant appropriate dose given. Responsibility of a pharmacist to calculate the appropriate dose each and every patient's to safety himself that the overdose has not be prescribed. Now the discuss about the factors that influencing the dose, in which many factors are responsible for the influencing the dose which is administered the patient and given by the pharmacist. First is age. The age is very important factor that is influence the dose. The pharmacokinetic uh, of the many drug changes with age, so the age of the patient has great significance. Okay, then the sex. Women do not always respond to the drug action the same manner as it is done in men. And the next factors influencing dose is body weight. As you know, all we know that the body weight is the most important factor that influence the dose. If the body weight is high, that is and the weight is low, then vary the dose of the prescribed drug or doses form. Now the route of administration. Route of administration are also important factors, that is IV dose, IV, that is intravenous. The dose is lesser than oral dose because the drug administered directly into the systemic circulation for immediate action, and a special case intravenous drug are given. Next, time of administration. The presence of food in stomach delayed the absorption of drug. While drugs are rapidly absorbed in empty stomach, the irritating drug are better tolerant if administered after meal, for example, iron tablet. Then environmental factor. We all know that the environmental factor such as daylight is a stimulant enhancing of the effect of stimulating drugs. Darkness is sedative, hypnotic, or shows more effect at night. And then emotional factor. Also, emotional factor is a more sensitive in women, and the responsibility and behavior of the physician may influence the effect of drug, especially the drug which are intended for use in psychometric disorders. Presence of disease. uh, the presence of disease or the condition of disease is also more and more important factor for the drugs like barbiturates and chlorma- chlorpromazine may produce usually prolonged effect in case of liver cirrhosis patients. And then accumulation. If the drug which are slowly excreted may build up the scientific high concentration the body and produce toxic symptoms. If it is repeatedly administered for a long time. And next is additive effect. Additive means uh, the total pharmacological action of two or more drugs, that is uh, drug A and drug B, administered together in equivalent to sum of their individual pharmacological action, then that is called additive effect. And the synergistic effect, when two or more drugs are used in the combination form and their action is increased, that is drug A and B is uh, in combination form, the action is increased. And then next is antagonist. Antagonist is just opposite the synergistic effect. So in antagonist, when the action of one drug is opposed by other drug on the same physiological system is known as antagonism. Now the idiosyncrasy. Idiosyncrasy is also called the allergy. Okay. An extraordinary response to drug which different from the characteristic pharmacological action is called idiosyncrasy. And then tolerance is a useful large dose of the drug is required to elicit an effect ordinarily produced by the normal therapeutic dose of the drug. The phenomenon is termed as drug tolerance. And the tachyphylaxis has been observed that when certain drugs are administered repeatedly at short intervals, the cell receptors get blocked and pharmacological response to that particular drug is decreased. This phenomenon is called tachyphylaxis, or it is also called the acute tolerance. And the metabolic disorder, this is the last factor of influencing dose. In this, changes in water electrolyte balance and body temperature and other physiological factor may modify and effect of drugs. Now the next topic of the posology, or the last topic of the posology, is calculation of dose. The dose calculation is based upon three types. The first is based on the age, second is based on the body weight, and third is based on the surface area. So the first uh, calculation is based on the age, in which three scientists, or the called three formulas, are given: Young formula, Dehling formula, and Fried formula. Dehling formula said that age in year upon age in year plus 12 and into adult dose, where Dehling formula age in year upon 20 into adult dose, and the Fried formula said that age in month upon 150 into adult dose. Now the based on the body weight, that is called Clark's formula, child weight upon 150 if weight is in pound into and into adult dose. If the weight in kg, then 70 instead of 150, that is child weight upon 70 into adult dose. Then last is the based on the surface area, calculation based on the surface area, in which the formula is child body surface area upon average adult body surface area into adult dose, in which the main note is average adult body surface area is 1.73 meter square. Okay, thank you.